Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to appear offline on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Launch WhatsApp app. Then if you use Android device, tap on the three little dots at the top right corner. From pop-up menu, proceed to settings. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on settings at the bottom right corner. From now, any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS device are the same. We should proceed to account, go to privacy. Okay, now we should disable some option. First of all, select last seen and select nobody here. Okay, go back to privacy, then select status, select only share with, then tap on done. On Android device, tap on mark at the bottom right corner. You will see a little blue circle. Then go back to privacy, scroll down. You will see read receipts. Swipe the slider to the left side to disable read receipts. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.